Okay, so hello guys and welcome to this fourth lesson. So guys, I actually will record the three lessons today. So you see guys, the third lesson is actually rendering. It will be ready so soon. So guys, in this fourth lesson we are going to learn links. So how to make a link for another website, how to take a link for a page in your website, how to make a download link, and how to make a link for something in your website, but it's in a folder that's higher than your website. So guys, let's firstly let's firstly create this file. So let's start just like that. So new file, and I will save this file, and I will call it actually I will call the links.html guys, and I'm going back to my website folder, which is this one, and I'm going to create a new folder which will be higher than my website folder. I will call it higher folder, and in this folder I will put a page, an HTML page, which is I don't know, let me just found a good HTML page which I have created. Let me see the test page. Close Facebook because I don't need it anymore. So okay, so this test page is, I will put it in here, move to higher folder, and then I'm going to open this page. Open with, let me see. All right, now I'm going to open it with some text just by this way guys. So yes, and here, and no, let me just show you how we do that. Just take it, grab it here, and it's open. So guys, here I'm going to create my HTML structure for now. I don't create it then, so type HTML. Alright guys, just fix some errors I did. You know what guys, the most biggest error in the keyboard that we have to hit the shift button and the open tag button to close the tag. So this is the body, and here I am going to create a title which will be a link for a higher folder like this. Just I will say welcome, and I will close the title tag, and I will be creating a meta corset because I'm going to write in French and English. So meta corset UTF-8, and close that, and here I'm going to create an H1 tag, which is this is the page contained in a higher folder. I'm going to p tag which will contain bienvenue in French with p tag, and another p tag which will contain welcome in English, and close that. So I'm going to save this file for now, and then let me just create another website structure in here. So I'm going to create a heat tag, close the heat tag. So guys, this is actually the only thing you have to do thousands and thousands of times when you're creating a website. Just so bad. So guys, you can actually copy it and paste it on a document, so you won't lose it guys. So the heat tag, let me create a title which is add, which will be add links guys. So title tag, and let me create a meta corset because there will be some French F8, and we close the meter. So guys, let me now add an H1 which will say links. So guys, let me close the H1. So let's put a command and say how to create a link. So let's add a P, and we are going to talk about links. So links are a relation between the sites pages. So in HTML, let's say to add a link, you have to use the a tag. So let me show you how, like let's say that I'm going to add a link in my website to Google. So I'm going here to add a, and then I'm going to add href. So guys, let's right, so let's put the link here, google.com, and let's close it, and then let's tap Google here, and let's close the a tag. So guys, the link is actually a little bit hard to understand, but trust me guys, we won't make it. So let's go open the file, and then let's see what's the visible things and what are the invisible things. So let's open our code and come and work on it. So guys, this is our title, it works perfectly. This is our h1, it works perfectly. These are our 2p's, it works, they works perfectly. And this is our link. So guys, the link tag is called actually href. So href is actually an Arabic name, but it's not what they meant when they created the code. Anyway, so href, when we firstly has to add the a. So the a will tell the browser that we are going to add a link. Then there's the href. So the href is actually the link. It's href, and the link is written between after an equal sign and after these signs. So guys, this is the link never changes. So actually here you have to add the a, then the link, and then in between, and then you have to close the tag, and between this and this you have to write the visible text that will be visible. So guys, this is actually for the link, but now we are going to add some links to P and H title. So for that guys, I'm going to create a P tag, which I'll write this is a link on the paragraph, and this one would be a paragraph. This is a link paragraph, and then let's create an h1 plus an h1, and here this is a title link, and let's create another h1 which will be this is a link it title. So guys, here's what I'm going to do. So for the other titles, it's the same way. So guys, let's say here that I need that paragraph word to take me to let's say to the index.html page, which is this one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to before the paragraph word and tap the href tag, and then I will tap my file name, which is index.html. So guys, let me do this, and then I'm going to notice for something guys, which is so you know guys, when you are adding a link to a file, it should be in your sites folder, or if it's not so, you have to write the full link of the document. So guys, and here let's imagine that you need this paragraph to take you to somewhere like Google. So I'm going to add a and tap equal, and then I'm going to tap www.google.com guys. I'm going to close the tag, and then here after the P guys, we have to close the A tag. So guys, let's say that this is a link. The link word will take you to a link, so let's tap href, and let's say that it will take me to a text page, so text.html, and let me close the A tag here. Why is it green? Why is it yellow? Yes, it should be yellow. No, because there's a space. It's true. And now, oh yes, there's one. Yes. So guys, let's imagine that this h1 should be full of a link. So href, and let's say that it should take me to the line.png picture. Let me close the A tag, and then guys, let's see what's going on. So guys, here are my links. So see guys, Google. Oh, I should do something. Just I think like this is gonna work. Now it works, guys. You see, so you have to add the HTTP to each link if it's taking you to another website. // and let's save. So guys, here are all my links. They're working. Let me open them just all in a view. So guys, here they are. See guys, they're taking me to anywhere I want. So guys, this is for the links. And now guys, I am actually going to actually I am going, I don't know, hey, what the hell is that, guys? Hold on. Oh yes, so this is the lesson. It's actually ready. So actually this is open classrooms. I just wanted to talk a little bit about open classrooms, which is sorry guys. So actually I just wanted you to if you want to learn something, you can use open classrooms, because I learned web development using this website. So guys, now we are let's go here, and let's now guys learn how to add a link which will be opened in a new tab. So let me add a comment, guys. This link will be opened in a new tab, and let's go and add a link which will take me to Facebook. // and then let's say www.facebook.com and tap your Facebook, and let's close the A. So now guys, we are going to add something to that will tell the navigator that this link should be opened in a new tab, so which is target. So target and equal then this sign and blank. Let's save that and see what's going on. So let me tap on it. Here it is, guys. It's opened in a new tab. So what the blank says. So the blank means that when I go here, and let's imagine that Google Chrome is in English. So when you here, there will be a new tab or blank. So blank means that it's a new thing in the code language. So we can also add this to a title, for example. So let's say h1 hello, and close the h1 tag, and let's add an href equals https www.google.com and close, and target equal blank, and close the A tag, save, go here, go to my navigator, reload. Here's the hello. So now guys, we are going to discover how to put a link to download a file. For this guys, I'm going to create a zip archive to these files and add to site.rar, and then let's wait some seconds. So here's the archive. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to download. So guys, to download the file should be unreadable by the navigator. It means that when the navigator finds that this file can be opened on a navigator, it launches a download. So let me open a comment and tap on it. How to put a link download a file, guys. So guys, when you download these files, you should really read the comments. So for this, guys, let's type here href and go to our file, which is site dot rar, and then let's close and download the site, and let me just close the A tag and save it. Then let me go here, and here it is, download the file. You see download will launch it. So here's the download, guys. So now we are going to learn how to add a link for a higher folder. So guys, how to add a link to a higher folder than your website folder. So guys, for this I am going to show you the easy way, then we are going to learn a way with a little bit harder method. So for this, guys, we are going to add href, and in the href is what we're going to do. So if you're on a server, you should only put the name of the folder, and you will then slash and the file. But if you're working on local on your computer, so you should go to program local disk, and then go to user account, your user account, and then go to the folder which you want to go to, and then here's the folder. Let me go here and copy the address. I will paste the address here, guys. Then I will put this slash, this anti-slash, guys, actually, and then let me look to my, so the file, it should take me to test.html, so test.html, and let me close, so test, and let me close the A tag, and then let me save the file, reload the page, and go. Here it is, guys. So you can also do it for blank. So let me just add the same link, but it will be opened in a new tab, guys. So target equals blank, and let me just on test.html, let me also add a link. href equals true. So links anti-slash links dot html, and let me just links, and let me just close the A tag and save it. Let me reload the page and go to links. It's actually reloaded. So here's the text, the test, and it takes me to the new target. And so this is it. So guys, then what we have also to learn, let me just a little bit about links. No, nothing, guys. Actually, this is all for links. That's all, guys. That's all for links. So now, guys, you should actually work a little bit on links, and so for this time I'm going to put a quiz link in the description, so that you have to answer the quiz, guys, for everything we learned from the first lesson to this fourth lesson. So guys, goodbye, and I wish if you had good notes on the quiz. See you guys in the next video.